You are getting a special offer for the single-click Sound Better Macro Pack. This offer is only valid for the next 24 hours. I can make this raw recording better in a single click. I have duplicated the track to compare the difference between raw recording and improved audio. I will select the second track and go to Tools. From Apply Macro, I can select 11 different types of improvement on this audio. I can make it clear vocal or reduce the sharpness. I can also make this as good as Spotify Podcast or Apple Podcast in a single click. I will choose Apple Podcast Improvement. The audio has become better in a single click. We will now hear the original and the improved audio.
Why you should use Audacity? Audacity is a free audio recording and editing software available on Windows. Why you should use Audacity? Audacity is a free audio recording and editing software available on Windows, Mac and Linux. It has the easiest user interface among the audio editing software. Even if you are a beginner, you can start using Audacity with a very small learning curve. You have to learn the basics of audio editing and you are good to go. To clean up audio recordings using Audacity, you have to know some basics about the audio data. Though Audacity is 100%.
So you see, it made a huge difference in audio quality in a single click. You can get these macros from this Buy Me a Coffee page. I am offering 11 macros at $11. Previously it was $19. This special offer will remain valid only for the next 24 hours. The installation process is very simple. I have a details video of the installation in the description. Go to Audacity Tools, Macro Manager. You have to import the macro txt files. I will give you the txt files. Choose the macro you want to install and open. You can install all 11 macros one by one. Grab this special discount before the offer disappears.